friends and welcome to my channel. On today's video I'm going to unbox and try together with you the Cohorted Beauty Box for the month of August 2019. This box arrived quite late in a month. I've got a pre-advice of shipping on 6th of August, and until the box has arrived to the actual courier warehouse it took almost 2 weeks. So the box was leaving from UK last Tuesday. I contacted them and they said they have some delay from the actual supplier. I've noticed they have increased the price of the box. You were paying before £35 plus shipping, and now the price is $39.99 plus shipping. I want to mention for those of you who are not aware that I'm living on Czech Republic and this box is delivered all the way from UK, so I pay an additional £5.99 to have it shipped here in Czech Republic. Now I know that this box is full with makeup. I couldn't avoid the sneak peeks, and when I got it I opened it and I took out the leaflet and I checked what are the products because I want to try them with you together on camera. And other than that, you'll have everything linked on the description box below. If you are newly subscribed this month, you'll get a welcome gift, and this month they are offering a Laura Mercier eye caviar stick or so, and this retails for £26. So the prices that we are referring today are in British pounds. So the box now is coming in this sleeve, which is black. But one thing I have noticed, they've changed the color of the box. It was used to be black, so now the box is white. I don't know if this is only for this month or if they have changed the theme or they will bring each month other color. I don't know. We will see. If I will continue to be subscribed, you will see together with me. Inside you have everything wrapped in this nice black tissue paper, and the actual booklet, it was underneath, but I was just took it out from here to see the products. In the booklet you get all the information about the products that are inside the box and also the prices and the total value for the month. The box value for this month is £141. So you pay £40 if you are in UK, you have free shipping, I believe. So for me it was £46, and I get almost triple value. So this is not bad, even with all the small details and increasing the price. What is about this month? Hello Cohorties! This month box includes everything you need from a glam summer revamp. We've teamed with DOUCE, one of our favorite luxury cosmetic brands, to bring you an August exclusive box filled with their latest products and on-trend shades. Founded in New York by two fashion and beauty executives with the intent of giving women and artists across the world the opportunity to discover their individuality. The name is inspired by French word douce, which is written like this, and if it's in French then it should be spelled douce. That's why I'm saying douce. I don't know exactly if my spelling is correct or not. Which means soft and elegant. So douce means soft and elegant. Their brand philosophy, based around discovering your individuality, was inspired by a mixture of Parisian elegance and New York attitude. DOUCE is the brand that delivers all on fronts. It's contemporary, it's colorful, it's innovative, and it's professional. So on the month of August, it's really exciting that we are getting only makeup, and the makeup it is from the brand called DOUCE or DOUCE. Now I see this brand, it's starting to be more and more popular, more present on beauty subscriptions. I also got another eyeshadow palette from them. Also I think it doesn't look fantastic, no, or on the Cohorted, so we have I have another quad from them. So yeah, I also have a mascara, a highlighter if I'm not wrong. Everything is sealed here. So here are all the goodies that are inside, and for this I'm really excited. The most exciting product and the sneak peek that we had in last month is the Freematic Eyeshadow Pro Palette. So we get 8 shades. So the packaging is black and it's shiny, so you can see my ring light. And of course I'm trying to open it from the opposite side, which will never work. And inside you have those beautiful eyeshadows that we will try today. And also, yes, we have a highlighter. And one thing I didn't notice when I've got the previous box, the previous eyeshadow palette, is that those eyeshadow pen are magnetic and they are removable. So the actual palette, you can keep it and use it for travel. If you want to put something else, you can do it in your way. So they are all the way removable. So this is something which I like on their system. Freematic Pro Eyeshadow Palette, shade Smoky Finish. So this eyeshadow palette retails for £50. So only this, it pays for your box, including shipping, for me. Introducing the ultimate versatile go-to palette to pack with you on any journey this summer. Achieve a natural daytime glow or go for more dramatic evening look with the help of a silky smooth highlighter and 8 matte and shimmer eyeshadows. The high impact powders are so rich they feel creamy, gliding on easily without any smudging or creasing. Okay, so let's try this. I already zoom you in and I've applied my eyeshadow primer. I'm gonna take a blending brush and I will take this shade and I will define my transition / crease area. I want to say that the shade selection is not that impressive. So you have 3 matte shades with the black one, the one that I'm using for transition, and the one that I used for setting the primer. The one above are shimmery or satin finish, and also this one has a bit of a sheen. Maybe I should give you some swatches. They are not very pigmented. So those are the swatches for the bottom row. I think they are looking a bit better, so it seems that their matte shades are a bit more pigmented. And the shade that I said that it's satin finish, it's almost matte. So they also have names on the back. So you have the actual name here, the number, sorry, and the corresponding number. So in this case, if you are misplacing your shadow, you can check here for the reference. Okay, the mattes are blending really nice. I will take a more pointy brush and I'm gonna take the black shade. It's not really black, it's like a charcoal. I will try to intensify my crease. Being so dark, I feel that the shadows are looking a bit muddy. This is really chalky. It doesn't have exactly the type of finish that I prefer for my lid shades. The actual shimmer is really chalky. I will take a more petite brush and with the lightest shade I will try to open a bit the eye area. Yeah, so the shimmery shades, they are chalky. So I'm going back to the black shade, the charcoal one. This was the eyeshadow palette. We will not close it yet because we will use the highlighter. I haven't shown you, but the actual highlighter, it is protected by a plastic cover. Okay guys, there is something which is really odd. On the actual booklet, there is advertised that we are getting a graphic eyeliner pen which retails for £16. So I'm not able to find any eyeliner. I don't know if this is a mistake or they have removed it by purpose, but this is something which is unpleasant. The next product that we will try is their Bombastic Lash Volumizing Mascara. I hope this is not the one with a huge wand. So, Bombastic Lash Volumizer Black Mascara retails for £18. Really nice, sleek black packaging. Ooh, the wand is actually different. I don't know if you're able to see, but it's more spiky. So there are short bristles. And I'm able to see that I have some fallout on my chin from the black shadow. I like it. It separates my lashes without clumping. The one is a bit bigger for the lower line area, for the lower lashes. And you can easily get smudged there. So this is how it looks like. I will let you know while I will edit the video how it turned out during the day, if I had some smudging underneath my eyes. But first impression, I really like it, and the formula is not thick, it's not wet, it's perfect. We have another face product. This is cheek blush in shade 06, 60, no, Hidden Tropics. The packaging looks like this, and the shade seems to be really nice, but also doesn't want to come out from the box. I really love the shade. It's a nice coral shade. Also, you have a mirror. It's a nice color, guys. It's really, really pigmented. I think it has a slight bit of a sheen. Yeah, it's not completely matte, but it's not bad. In the camera I think it's not that intense, but in real life it's a bit intense for the way that I like to wear my blush. But other than that, it's a really, really nice color. To complete the face, I will add the highlighter. So, to be able to remove the highlighter from the pen, I had to take out two of the shadows. I think I have this highlighter. I have another highlighter. So this has a number 103, sorry. And you can take it by itself if you want to put it on your makeup bag. It's a nice champagne shade. Guys, I was thinking that I did not purchase any highlighter with my own money, excepting the Mary Luminizer by the Balm. All the other highlighter products that I have in my collection are from the beauty boxes. Isn't that nice? Okay, so really pretty. Okay, to be able to use it whenever I want, I just removed the plastic cover that it was on the highlighter, so now I can access it normally like I access the other products. We have two more products and a bonus. So the next product is the Lip Definer Pencil. Okay, so on the actual leaflet they are saying that I'm getting the shade Estella. Lip definer pencil in shade Estella retails for £15, and I've got the Orion, which seems to be a plum shade. Packaging is also nice. I love the packaging. They are killing with the packaging. Ooh, so it's red. I love it. I don't have this kind of shade in my collection. It's really pigmented. I love the product. The formula, it's creamy, glides on without any stickiness, any patchiness on your lips, and the shade is pretty. Let's see if it's matching with the last product that I've got on the box, and this is their Love Struck Liquid Matte Lipstick in shade Cupcake. This is exactly the shade that I'm going for when I'm purchasing a lipstick. The packaging is so luxurious, but the DOUCE applicator seems to doesn't want to come out so easily, although the shade is really nice. The lipstick, it's nice. It dries down matte and seems to be comfortable so far. I will also let you know here on the screen or in the description box how it worn throughout the day. The last product that we are getting on the Cohorted Beauty Box is this Oscar Flor, Oscar de la Renta Eau de Parfum, 2 ml. Inspired by his love of gardens, Oscar has reimagined his signature scent, Oscar Flor, sparkling with mango, lush neroli and pink jasmine with an elegant base of creamy musk. Yeah, the scent is kind of sweet, but not overpowering sweet, so I like this shade. I like this scent. So let's summarize. This month we had a exclusive beauty box by the brand DOUCE, and we've got a eyeshadow palette that contains also a highlighter, a very pretty blush, a lip pencil, a mascara, and a liquid lipstick, and of course the bonus product, the Oscar de la Renta Eau de Parfum. Excepting the eyeshadow palette, and when I'm saying this I'm referring to the shimmery shades, the one from the top row, the matte shades are nice. The palette turns to be more neutral, which might suit for most of the people, but they've put really workable blush shades, the lipstick and the lip liner. And I also love the mascara. I will check on YouTube if I can find some other reviews whether the eyeliner it is present on other boxes. If there was some mistake they didn't put it on my box, and I will let you know. But in this case the total value, it should be £125. So those being said, I'm excited and disappointed on the same time. I'm excited for the product that I've got because I've got some products that are really working for me. I'm disappointed for the fact that they advertised some product which is not actually included on the box. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you will subscribe before you leave, I would like to thank you in advance. And also I will leave you here on the screen my social in case you want to follow me there. And I'm looking forward to see you on my next video. Bye bye!